Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your preferences so that Google Vids will behave the way you want it to. So you're working on a Google Vids project and you want to take greater control to make sure that the app itself is more responsive to how you want to interact with it. If you go up to the Tools menu and click on Preferences, this little window will pop up. You've got two different tabs here: General Preferences, automatically capitalize words, use smart quotes, and so on. You can click down here on this little menu here, automatically correct spelling, auto fit text boxes by default, resize the shape to fit the text, or shrink the text to fit the shape, or don't resize at all. And then on the other tab, you can program in different substitutions. For example, if you type in a certain key sequence, it will replace it with the symbol for this first one. If you do parentheses, C parentheses, it will replace it with the copyright symbol. That can be way faster than trying to look up that special character on your own. So if you use some of these symbols quite frequently, this is definitely worth looking into to make sure that you can get through this quickly and maybe insert those symbols with a lot more ease and speed. Save yourself a bunch of time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.